Yeah, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. No be smarty, they say that one of the person wey dey for inside Oba that night wey resistance fighter come engage the security men. No be smarty, he don come talk o. He say that he call the name of Chukwemeka Ebuka Obi, say evangelist Ebuka Obi, as he called the name, now they can't leave am o. No be smart move, go find out how this thing take dey happen o. Yeah, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back, and we will go straight, go give you the ogbonge news wey we get for our hand today. I want you to watch this video that I'm going to show you right now, as this our brother they talk say in dey for that hotel, say in dey pass for the front of the hotel that day where that thing happen for inside Anambra, for the place where they call Oba. He said that as the government enter inside the place, they block road and they start the bye people for their front. Say in call the name of evangelist Ebuka Obi, and now so they take leave am. I want you to watch this video and we'll come back and talk more about the video.
A guy named birthday na another hotel, that is Porsche. Mami my Porsche hotel. I future Porsche. If you were fuzi triple P. So borrow my voice, see I go. So see I no have no na triple P well or come one oze na Porsche. Well so birthday konane. So I like come ever I play like play. Boy I bomb na phone. Same one way I can merely adjust na equipment behind ben so na camera way up there maybe. Banya wakala niru hotel akawa triple P. Zena triple P. Messia the thing set side them more etido. Yota. Nachi akwazu na hotel na abo. So hotel akanos. Next thing. I everybody ever close to that hotel porche for motor na abo ni titi main road. So more one year mind them go am. No kada bum na ga before any choose iru ever. Na bawe say everybody lie down. More and this thing. So be sure when no kada I see no kada ndap. No kada lele ka wore ba wani mo fia. Mo no ma manage ko number. So my number is funny. On bona one no ni mo fia already. Na zo ndo fa. So how na agbazo so duto na okumu okpam biazi baji mago kuma na ebuzi mu. So I wasn't that enough strength to run faster. So when the man na agbazo so ni mo fia na bro na we no sound ofia na eme mkpọtụ. Ayabazi towards ebe bowazi ebe. So can surrender no na men war strength. And surrender bowazi ebe ni mo fia. Surrender ga je ni mo fia kpụrụ. So where is my car? So I didn't carry any car come. You know with any car. So sube mola. We say we pia one. Ina if no ni rooms where there. So far no wolo hotel na I call well see more move. I go towards the Ebe motor park. I know the Ebe motor park. And some lie down. Net is Jesus. Neti she Ebuka Obi. She Ebuka Obi. Zion. Yeah, I can't think this for the next thing I seen Bamoto. Moto I can't know that I kichizi man. If we any man seen leave am. Same one can lie for down. na-enezi anya fụzie ndị agbagburu already. So ha nọziere aba n'ime hotel room na-aga room by room na-akpọpụta ndị mmadụ. And na porche a ebe the guy na-eme birthday akọ o nwecha ndị agbagbusi ịghọta. So o nwecha ndị agbagbusi ebe a. So ha nọzi ebe a, mụ anọzi na-etizi Jizọs chi Ebuka Obi, chi Ebuka Obi, Zion. So mụ anọzikwa ebe ahụ ma na-ebufutesi ndị mmadụ ma moto ndị mmadụ ndị niile eburu ebe a. Ndị eburu ebe a rukwara ka mmadụ 10 or 15 ma moto ha buru ebu. Moto ha burukwara 5. So esigido ọnwụ na ha ga-ebu onye nwe dat hotel. Achọgide wee chọta onye nwe dat hotel ruo ma ọnụ wee buru the man. And but before that, anọ n'ilu gbagbukwa mmadụ. Gbagbuo ndị mmadụ belu ndị ebere isi fa ma ndị ebere ụkwụ ha si na a ga-ewu nke a na-elekwa ọgwụfa. Ha mecha incantation nwana ha mecha buru those things tinye na boot. N'ime na boot ahụ ọ nwekwa ndị ka dịkwa ndị nọ na boot ahụ because ha buru ezus na total moto ha buru ebe ahụ 5 or more than. Ebuzo enwe hotel ahụ biti moti buru ya wee but the thing dies. Okay, anọzi m ebe ahụ ọ na-aka ha si wee pụọ sọsọ m na daa bọọlụ bọzala na-asị m what am I doing? Si a na onwe ife m na-eme. So ihe ọzọ si m n'ọnụ pụọ si a m a student na nwere ife m na-eme. Yara bọọ ya hapụ m ya si na akpakara tigbuo m ka ọ na ha nwere ihe ọzọ na ị gaghị nọkwa ebe a na-asị a ma musician na nwere ya tinye na moto. Kefat moto ha ju eju ma moto ndị mmadụ ha buru ọkwa ha buru gị eburu ma moto juchara eju. Because these men were like almost 12 or 15 men bịara ije. And if you see them, a man ọbụrụ guys ọbụrụ obere ndị mmadụ bịa hefty men bịa dara ya. And ewu m ike ndị a niile kịta anọ ị na-ene bụ ndị Igbo. Ha na-asụ Igbo ọfụma bụ ndị a niile na-eme ahụ. So my brother, I thank God because you know onye bro beri. Because that yesterday I went program eme na Zion. My brother no Lagos, moi I no Lagos. Oh my brother, the other program was no Kezia but no day ship or any program. And gave for that yesterday. Oberi acquired that program due to my appointment, my time factor, my junior brother. They make it young when for 50 saying in a young one I Zion now. You could have an better. So my brother, I just thank God for myself. So no,
yeah, my people. You don't hear the thing where this person they talk for inside this video. I will make you let us know wetin be your own opinion and what you think for this video. And with this person they talk say it happened for that side, and may you let us know your own opinion and also share the video so that other people go feel see am. Share this video and make sure say you follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.